Understanding the IELTS listening format, an insightful dive. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into the IELTS listening section. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of its structure and what to expect. Let's get started. The IELTS listening test is designed to assess your ability to understand spoken English in various contexts. This could be in a social scenario, an academic lecture, or even a monologue. But to master this section, it's crucial to understand its layout. The IELTS listening test is divided into 4 sections. 1. Section 1 Conversation. This is typically a conversation between 2 people set in an everyday social context. Think of scenarios like booking a hotel room or inquiring about a course. 2. Section 2 Monologue. This section includes a speech set in an everyday social context, like a speech about a local facility. 3. Section 3 Conversational Discussion. This section consists of a conversation between up to 4 people set in an educational or training context, like a university tutor and a student discussing an assignment. 4. Section 4 Academic Lecture. This is a monologue on an academic subject, like a university lecture. Each section has 10 questions, making a total of 40 questions for the entire listening test. To make sure the test evaluates various skills, it comes with a mix of question types. Some of these include multiple choice, where you select the correct answer from a list; matching, associating a list of items or names with another list; plan, map, diagram labeling, identifying locations or labeling a diagram based on the listening text; form completion, filling out details like names, addresses, or other information; summary completion, filling in blanks in a summary of a section of the listening text. Remember, the questions are designed to test your ability to understand main ideas, specific details, and opinions of speakers. The listening test lasts about 40 minutes to 30 minutes of listening and 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. Always be sure to listen carefully and jot down answers as you go, but remember to use the extra 10 minutes wisely to ensure your answers are correctly transferred to the answer sheet. That's a wrap on the IELTS listening test format. Now that you have a clearer understanding, you can strategize and practice more effectively. Remember, familiarity is the key to confidence. Happy studying, and we hope this video has brought clarity to your IELTS journey. See you in the next one.